Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
So we will continue with the chapter Nelson Mandela. Okay. You understood the previous paras that I had explained you?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking all the students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is it? Is it a biography or an autobiography of Nelson Mandela? What is it?
Ma'am, an autobiography.
Ma'am, autobiography.
Yes, very good. Why had the dignitaries and the world leaders they had assembled in South Africa?
Because ma'am, Nelson Mandela was
Yes.
Nelson Mandela.
Yes, Rahul?
Ma'am, because Nelson Mandela oath the president, first black
Okay.
president of South
Yes,
Africa.
because Nelson Mandela now he had to take the oath, okay, the pledge of the first black president of South Africa. Why first black president? Why? Arpita Kalani, why? 1 minute, Rahul. Arpita Kalani,
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
why had he to take the oath or the pledge of the first black president as the first black president? Why? Yes, Pradeep Soni.
Yes, ma'am.
Why had he to take the oath as the first black president? Arpita, you do not know, you did not revise. Who raised hands? Pranshu Chaudhary, yes.
Ma'am, because in South Africa there was a rule of Britishers, and when they got their freedom, Nelson Mandela was the first president.
Very
First
good,
black
very
president.
good. Yes, yes, yes. And rest of the students do not know, you people don't revise the chapter?
Ma'am, I know.
Only you know it, a few of them. Others are like dumb animals, you know. They just come, they just attend the class just for the sake of attendance and they just move out. If you are not going to answer, if the student to whom I ask the question, if he or she will not answer, I will remove you. You don't need to attend my class, okay? No need to do any kind of formalities here. Very shameful, Arpita and all. And don't ever give me this stupid excuse कि मैम नेटवर्क नहीं था तो हमने सुना नहीं था. For how many years, Harsh Mundra? For how many years did the Britishers they rule over South Africa?
Ma'am,
Something
over
about
3
300
centuries.
years.
Or yes,
3 centuries.
3 centuries, nearly 300 years they had ruled there. Which policy was followed there
Ma'am,
in South
apartheid.
Apartheid? What
Apartheid.
is apartheid?
Ma'am, it is a policy
Racial
in which
discrimination
black
between
people are
whites and blacks.
oppressed
Yes.
by white people on the basis of color.
Okay, good. Yes, Daksh. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
answer it. Right now you were speaking with Harsh Moonrana. What is apartheid?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma'am, in South Africa, a policy or system of segregation of discrimination on grounds of race.
Okay, this you are reading it from the book. I want it in your own words.
Ma'am, it was a discrimination between whites and blacks
Yes.
in South Africa.
Yes, yes, on the basis of color, lot of discrimination was done. And now everybody listen carefully. If you want to attend my class, be sincere, be honest, and 100% attentive. Otherwise, don't attend. You people don't even get time to revise it. Now come to page number 18. And I had already done the first para of the speech, okay? When he addresses Nelson Mandela, when he addresses the audience, right? I had done the first para yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll just repeat the first para once more. Today, all of us do by a presence here confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long, must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud of. Okay. Now the writer, he mentions here some parts of his speech that he delivered in front of the audience, the dignitaries or the world leaders after taking the pledge as the first black president of South Africa. And then he says by his presence, everyone, they were giving a hope to a new beginning. And they actually got experience, okay, out of an extraordinary human disaster. A lot of disaster was done with these black people. Previous rulers, they had done a lot of discrimination, and that discrimination, it continued for a long time. Okay, it lasted too long means it continued for a long time. But okay, that is a kind of an experience that we must all gain. Who says? नेल्सन मंडेला कि हमें उससे एक्सपीरियंस लेना है कि we should give birth to a society, we should make such a society now of which every human must be proud of. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so an opportunity should be given to those people, who should stand against discrimination and should make a society in which everybody, okay, should be treated equally, and every person means the whole humanity should proud of. समझ में आ गया?
Yes,
आया
ma'am.
कि नहीं? Okay, now the second para, put the date on the second para, hurry up. Written the date?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we who were outlaws not so long ago have today been given the rare privilege to be host. Who is the host? Who is the host?
Nelson Mandela.
Yes, Harsh?
Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela.
What is the meaning
the
of the
black.
host? The black. But how can you say that he was he was the host? Host is the one who welcomes everybody
And to
at
lead
his
the
home. Okay. Suppose some guests come to your house, then there you are the host. Okay. Why? Because you are welcoming those guests. Okay. And you are organizing their welcome. समझ में आया? In Hindi हम बोलते हैं मेजबान. And mehman is the guest. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So they were the host. Why? Because everybody had come to the country that was a home to them, and they were organizing the welcome. Okay, so Nelson Mandela or the South Africa, it was a host to all the dignitaries. So he says, we who were outlaws not so long. Now of this line, the whole explanation is given there. What he wants to say, because of the policy of apartheid, Okay, apartheid policy was followed earlier, isn't it, children? Difference between black and white, it was being carried out by the English people, by the English rulers. Okay, so because of that policy of apartheid, many countries of the world, they did not have any diplomatic relations or political relations with South Africa. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes,
पहले
yes,
क्या
ma'am.
थी? गुलाम थी, ठीक है? अपार्थाइड की पॉलिसी, इट वाज बीइंग फॉलोड. गॉट इट? और इस पॉलिसी की वजह से जो बहुत सारी कंट्रीज थी ना, उनके रिलेशंस नहीं थे साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ. गॉट इट? तो वो कहना चाहते हैं कि कुछ समय पहले तक तो वी वर आउटलॉज, यानी वी डिड नॉट हैव एनी डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशंस विद एनी कंट्री. Okay, we were just cut off from other countries. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
हाँ, अच्छी
Yes,
तरह से
ma'am.
मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, सुन लेना. तो वो कहना चाहते हैं कि अभी कुछ समय पहले तक तो we were just cut off from the other countries, but today we have got this rare opportunity, a rare privilege that though we were cut off from the other countries, we did not have any relations, but today we are very fortunate, we are lucky that we are the host to the nations of the world on our own soil. Clear or not?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
should I explain again? Anybody wants me to explain again, I'll explain it. What I said, it is one of the most important chapters. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please re-explain it.
Ma'am, please
Yes,
re-explain.
Arpita. You want me to explain it again?
Yes, ma'am.
See, when Nelson Mandela, he begins his speech, then he says that we are going to give a new hope to the newborn liberty. Okay, in the first para he says newborn liberty. Why? Because newly freedom they got. Liberty means freedom. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And then he says that we got lot of bitter experience from the past. Lot of human disaster was done on the black people, okay, by the white people. Okay, so from that experience, okay, we are going to make such a society of which all the humanity would be proud of. ये आ गया समझ में कि पास
Yes, ma'am.
एक्सपीरियंस को देख के हम एक ऐसी सोसाइटी बनाएंगे, है ना, जिस पर सारी ह्यूमैनिटी को गर्व होगा. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in the second para he says we who were outlaws not so long ago. Outlaws means they were cut off from other countries. They did not have any relations with any of the countries. When white people were ruling on South Africa, okay, there were no diplomatic or political relations with other countries of South Africa. इतना आ गया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. तो ये कह रहा है कि अभी कुछ समय पहले तक, है ना, not it did not take a very long time. Even a few days back when South Africa, it was not free. We were just cut off from other countries. But today we have got this rare privilege, okay? We have got this opportunity, clear, to become the host, okay, of the nations of the world. Yani, today we have got this privilege to be the host. Host meaning I explained you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mejwan, the
Just
person who welcomes
Yes,
the
ma'am.
guest, okay, in his house, in his home, okay. So South Africa is their home. So they are saying ki we are the host now. We are lucky to be the host of all the nations, okay. And we are welcoming all the nations with whom some days back we did not have any relations, but today we are very happy to start a new beginning with them, to start new good relations with them, and to welcome them on our soil. On our soil means in our country. Clear or not, or should I explain it once more?
No, ma'am. Clear now.
समझ गए कि आज हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हमारे सारे कंट्रीज के साथ कोई रिलेशन नहीं थे, क्योंकि वी वर रूल्ड बाय द वाइट पीपल और अपार्थाइड की पॉलिसी की वजह से कोई डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशंस नहीं थे। लेकिन हम लकी हैं कि आज हम सारे वर्ल्ड नेशंस को हम वेलकम कर रहे हैं हमारी ही कंट्री में, हमारी ही मिट्टी पर। इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We thank all of our distinguished international guests. Now he thanks all of the distinguished, the respectable, the honorable international guests for having come to take possession with the people of a country of what is, after all, a common victory for justice. Okay. He says now there is no segregation, there is no division on the basis of the race, okay, or on the basis of the gender. So now he is very happy that even other nations, they are going to have diplomatic relations with us. And that is why he thanks all the distinguished dignitaries, the celebrities, the VIPs, okay, that have come from the My voice is audible, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So he says that that is the main reason he welcomes everybody, and he says we are really thankful for it. And those people, they have come to a country, and together, you know, we are going to take possession. Possession means we are going to take hold of a
Control.
country together. You got it? हम सब मिलकर, है ना, इस country का hold लेंगे. And वो कहते हैं कि actually what is it? It is not a victory of our own country, but it is a common victory for justice. Aya means he thanks everybody, the international leaders and all, for joining them in celebrating their achievement. Okay. Why? Because he thinks that it is an equal step taken by everybody, you know, to make an equal society where each and every human being would be treated in a fair manner. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next para. Should I proceed to the next para, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have at last achieved a political emancipation. Okay. Emancipation का meaning has been given. That is a restriction from freedom. मतलब freedom से जो restriction होता है ना, हम पर जो बंदिशें होती हैं, जब उससे freedom मिल जाती है तो उसको कहा जाता है emancipation. Clear? तो हमने political freedom achieve कर ली है. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation. The meaning of deprivation have been given there. यदि rightful benefits नहीं है तो सबको equal rights या सबको equal benefits दिए जाएंगे. Sufferings, gender and other discrimination. ओके अब वो कहते हैं हमने पॉलिटिकल फ्रीडम वी हैव ऑलरेडी अचीव्ड, और आज हम प्लेज करते हैं, हम स्वेर करते हैं, प्रॉमिस करते हैं, ओके, टू फ्री ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन ऑफ हिज कंट्री फ्रॉम द बॉन्डेज ऑफ पॉवर्टी. यानी ये जो एग्जिस्टिंग पॉवर्टी है उससे हम हमारे देश के एवरी मेंबर को वी आर गोइंग टू लिबरेट, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक देम फ्री. Okay, we are going to give them the rightful benefits. Those sahi benefits milne chahiye to those people that we are going to give. We are going to relieve them from the sufferings. We are going to free them from the sufferings. There will not be any gender discrimination. Do you understand what is gender discrimination?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Male and female.
discrimination
हाँ,
between
difference
girl or
between
boy.
male and female and other discriminations. समझ में आया? और जो भी दूसरे discriminations, okay, in a different manner दूसरों को treat करा जाता है, तो ये सारी negative things, you know, all these sufferings, we pledge, we swear, we promise, it will be removed from our country, and every person, each man would be treated equally, irrespective of his color, race, caste, creed, status, whatever it is. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Never,
Yes, ma'am.
never, and never again shall it be that. Never, never, and never again means he's so determined that he says never means kabhi nahi hoga, it will never happen, that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. Means he says that now never it will happen in South Africa that any other country would suppress us, would rule us, would make us slaves. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, और ऊपर तो उन्होंने प्रॉमिस कर ही दिया कि किसी भी कम्युनिटी को, चाहे वो व्हाइट हो या ब्लैक हो, nobody would be treated inferior and everybody would be given equal rights. Okay? और फिर कहते हैं, ये बहुत एक स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रॉमिस करा, डिटर्मिनेशन की नेवर, यू नो, नेवर, ओके, एनी ऑपरेसर विल कम एंड ऑपरेस आवर कंट्री, कोई भी, है ना, आउटसाइड रूलर आकर हमें रूल नहीं करेगा. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू रूल अस. अ कंट्री विल नॉट बी अ स्लेव टू एनीवन नो मोर. ओके, नाउ नेवर ही सेज, कभी नहीं. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Okay, and then he's too happy and he says, the sun, you know, it will never set, okay, on this great achievement of human being. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
जो बहुत बड़ी सफलता मिली है ना, तो ये सफलता का जो सूरज है ना, वो कभी डूबेगा नहीं. Means this achievement, this glorious achievement, human has achieved the freedom, you know. Now it will never be lost. Let freedom reign, God bless Africa. And then he says he's very happy and he says that let freedom reign. Reign means rule, R-U-L-E. Let freedom rule our country and may God shower all his blessings on Africa. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.